imagine your kid turning screen time into skill time. That's exactly what can happen at Code Ninjas, where kids can learn how to create their own video games.
Our Danny Maston is live at their location in Centennial Hills this morning with some of the kiddos checking it all out. Hey, Danny.
Hey, you guys, good morning. Yeah, so this is a really, fun program, keeping the kids busy, keeping them learning. They get to make their own video games. So we've got so much to learn about here at Code Ninjas. I've got Bradley here and Jacob, who is one of the students. So we'll chat with you in just a few minutes. But first, tell us about everything you guys do here.
So what we do is we teach kids ages 5 through 14 how to code. We use different methods like Roblox, Minecraft, Unity, and we pretty much have different activities that they can do throughout the course of the day. It's a 3 to 5 year program, and by the time they're finished, they're college ready for coding.
Wow, that is so cool. Walk me through maybe, some of the different steps that they'll learn throughout the program.
So they start with just basic block coding. We kind of keep it really simple, make sure it's easy. Then they move into Roblox using Lua coding, just to make it a lot fun. We like them to have fun, and then they'll move into Minecraft. Some of the kids you'll see they're using the Minecraft for the camp today. And then we just rotate through a whole bunch of different topics like that.
Awesome. Tell me about your summer programs. I know there's just a few weeks left.
Yeah, so we do a lot of summer programs. We do Roblox, we do Minecraft. We even do stuff like YouTube Stars, where they make their own YouTube channels. We have digital directors, and we do a whole bunch of different type of camps to emphasize coding and other types of learning.
And what I think is really fun is you treat it like they're going through karate, with the different levels, the different belts.
Yes, yeah. So we do mock the karate style. So they start at white belt. That's the very beginner. And like I said, by the time they finish with their black belt, during black belt they make their own game, and then once they submit it, they've completed it.
Awesome. And speaking of making your own game, I heard that Jacob made his own game. Tell me about the game you made.
So yeah, the game I made is kind of like the famous dinosaur run, offline dinosaur run. But it's Code Ninjas themed. So instead of a dinosaur, you have a ninja. Instead of trees, cactus, you have computer parts flying at you, and you have to collect candies based on former games. So I thought instead of doing my own concept, trying to incorporate Code Ninjas as a whole in my game.
Oh, that sounds really fun. What was that experience like for you?
It was great. I got to use all the knowledge that I learned in previous belts, previous games, and incorporate it in my own. I didn't have to follow any very minimal guidelines. How to hit the requirements, but it was my own game.
Yeah. Sounds like you got to be creative and really make it your own. Okay, so you guys have 2 locations here and one in Summerlin, right? Yeah. Okay, how can people maybe sign up? Can they get involved, in both programs at both locations?
Yeah, so they simply just go to codeninjas.com. They can pick whichever location's closer to them. They'll sign up some contact information, and one of us will reach out to them, schedule them a tour so they can bring their kid and see if it's something they like.
Awesome. Well, thank you both so much. I'm excited to go chat with the ninjas over here because I get to see what they're going to be working on. So definitely stay tuned for that. That's coming up later on in the show. I'll send it back to you guys in studio for now.
Yeah, I know minor coding when I used to personalize my MySpace page.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I bought a book on it.
Nice.
The Coding for Dummies.
I remember
it was fun.
Caret, B,
Yeah.
caret,
Uh-huh.
and then what you want to write,
Right,
and then
and then caret,
slash B,
caret. Yeah, I
to
kind of remember
bold
that
what
too.
you wanted.
Yeah.
Look at us.
And then you'd press enter, and then you'd see wait, did it work? And it usually did.
Yeah, we're basically computer geniuses.
We are. Well, I guess we'll just do the rest of the show.
Fine.
Just because.